You've waited long enough, but it's finally here. This is System Test 5. Right now you're looking at something red. I bet you're wondering what that thing is. Yep, that's right. That's my brand new, right out of the box, Firelight BG12L. Yep, finally got a real pull station. See, model BG12L. There's a little test switch. There's the back. And it comes with a key. When I got this, it was really hard to open and close. I had to kind of force it. But it turns out if I bend this thing down, it is much easier. And I just use these little 3M things to put it up there because I don't have any back boxes. But yeah, those are just wired right into NAC 1 on the control panel. So yeah, and all the alarms themselves are the same, but there's one more change out in the hallway. Of course, right here you have your wires going up to my Spectre Alert Classic strobe. But what are these wires right here? They go up to, look at that. Yeah, it's another pull station. This is my brand new Firelight BG8. I use putty for this one because it kept falling off. And once again, I don't have any back boxes. See, what's unique about this is that the wires actually come attached to the pull station. So I didn't really need to attach it to any sort of terminal thing like I had to do with the BG12. Now, this I can't open because if I were to just key initiate it, it would just, the alarm would go off. So, yeah, that's a cool feature about the BG12 that most pull stations can't do. This one works more like a T-bar. And, yeah. And I do have separate keys for the BG8, but I don't use these very often because, the key for the BG12 is the same key for the BG8, so I just use one key for both. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and pull the BG12 by pushing in and pulling down. There goes that strobe. I still have this set on 15, by the way. I don't feel like ripping it off the wall and changing the candela. You can see this is activated. Now we're going to go ahead and silence it. There we go. And the strobe stops flashing. Now we're going to go ahead and reset it. There we go. And reset. Back to normal. And before we end the video, we're going to go out in the hallway and pull the BG8. Please excuse that noise. That's just my noisy dishwasher. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That pull station is hooked onto NAC 2. Actually, no. I was getting mixed up. The pull stations are not on the NACs. The alarms themselves are on the NACs. And the pull stations are just connected to the power that power the alarms. So, yeah. Go ahead and silence that. So I don't get epilepsy. And we're gonna use our key here. Stick it in the hole. No, wrong way. There we go. Now it's reset. And reset the system. Now basically how this works is when I pull the BG8. Hey, you know what? Let me silence that. When I pull the BG8, this button comes out. And then when the button is pushed in, the alarms don't go off. But when the button is pushed out, that's what activates the alarm. So basically, all this does is push that button in. And you can see it doesn't close without the key, which is a safety feature. There we go. Reset. I'll just quickly key initiate the BG8. Oh, wrong way again. Silence. Reset the pole. And reset the panel. Hopefully soon I'll have a walk test mode on this, so I don't have to keep resetting the panel. Yeah. And another way you can activate the BG12 is there's a way to key initiate it, even though it doesn't activate when you open it up. See, the alarm isn't going off. You just flip the switch. And you can see right here if the camera focuses. There we go. You can see up there it says normal and down there it says activated. Right now it is activated, which means that this thing would be down right now if it was actually pulled. Go ahead and reset that, and I don't have to flip the switch. I can just kind of go like this, and you can see it resets. So yeah, I don't think I've seen anybody on YouTube flip the switch and then just do this. Yeah, that's a fault I've been having with my panel. I cannot seem to get it to stay in alarm even when I reset the pull station. Whenever I reset the pull station, it automatically resets the panel, which is not good. Hopefully I'll be able to get a better panel someday if I just learn how to use my Arduino. But yeah. We'll go ahead and pull both. Just put both zones in alarm. And now since that pull station is an alarm, if I try resetting this, it's not going to work. See? It stays an alarm. So now we're going to silence it. Go ahead and reset this. And reset the BG8. There we go. And reset the system. So that is it for system test 5. Hopefully sometime in the future I'll be getting an i3 to put up here so I can add a smoke alarm to the system. This is just my cheap first alert alarm. It's only battery power, it's not hardwired. That's why I cannot connect it to the fire system. So that's pretty unfortunate. But yeah, hopefully sometime soon I'll be getting an i3 and I'll hook that up. So for now, that's it. Peace.